Hi guys, I hope you can see my screen and hear me. If that is happening, press 1 into the chat box quickly so that we can start. So Tanya says 1. Okay, we have very less participants today. So let's go ahead and today's agenda. Any other question, Aditya, you have or anyone have before we go ahead and there is any issue, you are not able to calculate any of the values here.
So if you could just check this, the reds ones, if you could just check this. So more than, as I said, more than 50,000 I first marked red, and then excluding those, I calculated the average. So the average was 2375. So then I marked red all the average searches less than 2375.
Okay.
So if you see, these are more than 50,000 volume and less than 2375 searches which are marked red.
Perfectly fine. That's what you have.
In number of results is also, it is the same thing. Basically, we do the total. So the total was about I think 500 crores. So I excluded more than 50 crores first. Total was more than 50 crores. I have marked as. So basically, most of them were already red. The blue ones were the ones which were not earlier marked red, so I marked them blue then, just to differentiate.
Okay.
But I mean,
perfect,
if you see,
Aditya. That process is clear to you, and it is correct. What you are telling me is correct. Okay. If you have any confusion, you can ask specific question.
Okay.
You don't have to explain me the whole process what you have done. Okay.
So just one last question. After doing this, if you see only the black ones are left, which are very less number of keywords. Only the black ones are left. So I don't know whether I've done it correctly.
If you follow the process, what I have told you is correct. There is no discrepancy in it if process is followed properly. Okay. That's the only thing. Ranjana says SEMrush is asking for a credit card. Yes. All the international companies take free trials when you provide them credit card. So that's the way how it happens. Okay. So let's go ahead and go ahead with the agenda. So the agenda for today would be identify the keywords, analyze the keywords. Okay, sorry, selection of keywords. We have done analysis yesterday. So selection of keyword. After that, we will learn how to do on-page SEO. Okay, so this is the agenda for today. Let's start with it. The first thing over here, the one which are marked red means either they have monthly searches lower or they are very high in competition. So how we do a comparison, how we identify out of these 32 keywords, which we should take. So the best way of that is arrange all the keywords according to average monthly searches, so that it becomes easier for you to identify it. Okay. So the first keyword you look at, home loan, it's a relevant keyword. Yes. It has huge number of searches. Yes. Competition high, on a higher side, and it's not growing. Monetary value is low because it's a direct keyword. No intention of user to take your product. So we may take it, we may not take it. Okay, the next keyword, I'm still not saying yes or no. Okay, whenever we select a keyword, we will say a yes or a no, definitely over here. So next is loan interest rate. It's a high search keyword, high competition, stable. Again, monetary value is medium. So chances of conversion are little higher in comparison to the first keyword. Always remember one thing here, the comparison is relative. the comparison is not exact comparison ki agar if the average monthly searches are above this, we will select this, or if the competition is less than this, we will select this. It's a relative comparison. Okay, and in the overall list, whenever we are selecting a keywords for a page, we select generally max of 5 keywords. Okay, why 5 keywords? Because in our page generally can rank up to 5 keywords. If you try to rank it on like let's say 10, 20, 30 keywords, then it won't rank on it because your focus will be lost in terms of keyword ranking. So Google will not be able to identify on which keyword you want to rank actually. So that's why we select primarily 5 keywords max. You can select 1, 2, 3, 4 or max 5 also. Okay, so second keyword is also really high search, high competition, and at the same time monetary value is medium. So we may select. So I'm writing M for maybe a yes or a no. Next keyword is home credit loan. It's a relevant keyword. Yes. Monthly searches are good. Yes. Competition is low. Yes. It's a growing trend and it is high monetary value. So a definite yes. Why yes? Because it has good number of searches, above average. It has a lower competition. Its trends are going up, and the monetary value of this keyword is high. Next is house loan. Competition monthly searches are lower in comparison to the top ones and higher, almost double for the keyword which is coming next. But look at the competition, it's 18,200. Okay, stable and low. Look at the competition. If I have to select, let's suppose between keyword fifth and keyword second and first, or keyword second and keyword in the second or third row in comparison to fifth, I will never select fifth because the competition is almost 4 times. Okay, searches is almost 1/4. So I will never select a keyword which has this kind of scenario. And I might have selected it also in case its monetary value is high, it's a growing trend, but there is no such case. So we will select no. Next is home loan interest. It has low searches in comparison to top keywords, but it is high in comparison to other keywords. Competition is high. Okay. Now your comparison will go with maybe keywords. Okay. In comparison to this competition is really high, stable, medium. So you might not select this keyword. Okay. Or you can put it in maybe also because still the competition is not too high and searches are not super low. And at the same time, monetary value is also medium. Next is lowest home loan interest rate. Searches are
Jatin,
good.
I had a small query.
Hello?
This just one small query, if I can ask here.
Yeah, sure.
The keyword number 6, home loan interest, is a part of keyword number 3 only. So shouldn't we just exclude this? If somebody is searching home loan interest and you're already working on home loan interest rate, then we need not.
No, we can't because like if I show you results on Google itself, like I search home loan interest rate and then go on home loan interest. Okay, you see my loan care, then comes SBI, then come homes loan dot SBI. Here Bank Bazaar is coming. Okay, SBI is coming, home loans dot SBI. You see different results are coming. SBI.co.in. Oh, sorry, the rank keyword is changing in both the places. The top results. My loan care, here it is, Bank Bazaar. And if you go down, Economic Times, HDFC, My Loan Care, I'm not sure. Over here, it will be Economic Times, HDFC. Now it's changing Bajaj Finserv. So the results are changing for adding any word extra or removing any word extra. So that's why we don't do it. Okay. Uh, so we may be selected, but again, look at this competition is high. Next is lowest home loan interest rate. Key searches are fair, but competition is quite good, stable, and I am considering it as a high monetary value. And if it is a high monetary value and at the same time searches are fair enough, fair good, competition is fair good and stable keyword, so we should select it. Okay, right now we may change it when we go back to the list also. Home loan interest rate searches are a little low, competition is quite good, stable, medium, maybe. Next, can now tell me about this keyword. I have given you a couple of examples now. Tell me home loan interest rate, all banks. Searches are this, competition is this, stable, medium keyword. Will you select this keyword? Yes, no, or maybe? I think I will keep in yes right now. Okay, and later on in comparison, I will see it. Reason is the competition is more than half. Okay, and the searches are almost half in comparison to the keyword we have selected. That's why.